Simple tips on how to be physically fit. Fitness is different for everyone. What is similar is the goal to feel better and look better. Some use special gear, equipment, trainers, or gyms to accomplish the desired effects. Some use what they have around the house. No doubt, you will agree, to be a success, you will have to maintain a regular fitness program. Following are some tips and tricks to help you to reach your goal of being physically fit. Do not be afraid to ask for help from a fitness trainer. They can give you recommendations on what foods to include in your diet, and they are available to cheer you on as you attempt to reach your fitness goals. They can also help you avoid common mistakes that people often make while working out. If you want to get into shape, the best thing you can do is to combine different types of exercises. To get the most out of your time, you want to work all your different muscle groups. Do arm exercises, leg exercises, and cardio exercises on a regular basis to make sure that your entire body gets a good workout. A great fitness tip is to make sure you focus on lifting weights with good form. A lot of rookie weightlifters get carried away with lifting heavy weights and they end up sacrificing their form. This can get you seriously injured. Lifting with good form is imperative. When lifting weights, do not limit yourself to the machines only. Studies have shown that free weights are much better at building up strength. Machines allow your body to cheat by using other muscle groups to help you lift certain weights, so your achievements can be misleading. Make sure you include stability-needing exercises. If you are planning a program to increase your fitness level, keep track of your progress. This will help you see what methods are effective for you, as everyone has different needs. It will also be a source of motivation when you see your running time increase or your body fat percentage decrease. It can always be difficult to find time for exercise. If you have problems finding the time or energy to put in an hour a day in at the gym, try breaking it up into 10-minute increments. Even 3 10-minute stints of activity a day can boost your heart rate throughout the day. Many people also find that by adding 10-minute bursts of activity into their schedule, they have more stamina and are able to increase the amount of energy they put into each activity. Instead of just doing as many crunches as you can, try doing some sit-ups in your routine. Sit-ups work your entire core and give you a better range of motion to work out, while crunches and other abdominal workouts only target your abdominal muscles and not your core. When you need shoes for working out, be sure that they fit properly. Go shoe shopping in the evening time. When it is late in the day, your feet are the largest. When trying on the shoes, be sure that you can wiggle your toes and that you have about a ½ inch of space between your longest toe and the shoe. Start small and work up from there. Working out your smaller muscles first prepares them for using large machines, and it also prevents you from getting fatigued before your workout has even begun. Save most of your energy for the larger and rougher machines to maximize the gains from your workout. After reading the above tips and tricks, are you ready to get starting? True, fitness is different for everyone. You may go about it different from the next person. However, to be a success, you must maintain a regular fitness routine. Find what works for you and stick to it. Don't forget to subscribe our channel to get more interesting videos. If you like our video, please share it with your friends.